Nation pays homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his 158th birth anniversary today. Manipur revers Mahatma Gandhi on his birthday, observes National Cleanliness Day to mark the occasion. Education Minister H. Radhesham assures positive change in state's education sector as Human Resources Ministry has sanctioned 480 crore rupees for the same. And JSCC, a conglomerate of 6 students' organization, extends solidarity to mass agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill called by NEFIP NEFIP on October 3rd. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories of this evening. Nation paid homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his 158th birth anniversary today. A series of functions were organized across the country and by Indian missions abroad. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Home Minister Amit Shah and several union ministers, BJP and opposition leaders paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at his Samadhi Rajghat. Modi stayed for some time at the Rajghat, where an all-faith prayer meeting was held this morning. In a tweet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed gratitude to Mahatma Gandhi for his everlasting contribution to humanity. He also said, "We pledge to continue working hard to realize his dreams and create a better planet." Manipur also paid homage to Mahatma Gandhi on his 158th birth anniversary today, which is also observed as National Cleanliness Day. Speaking at the event held at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah said, "Mahatma Gandhi was a pioneer for peace and led India's freedom struggle by using non-violence as his most powerful weapon." The governor maintained that Gandhiji campaigned for a clean mind, body and environment, was strongly against inequality, and he aimed to bring unity among communities residing in the country with love and peace. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar stressed the need for clean water, stating that Nambul River water was once used for cooking and household purposes, but the river is highly contaminated today. Yumnam Joykumar urged people not to pollute the river and other water bodies. Cabinet ministers and top officials of various departments attended the event, but Chief Minister Nongthom Biren and IPR Minister T.S. Biswajit and both the inner and outer MPs were absent in the event.
Our present Prime Minister has added a new vigor to the cleanliness drive and made it more impactful and meaningful when he launched the Swachh Bharat mission on 22nd October 2014. He declared the day as a non-holiday to the government workers and staff and urged them to take cleanliness to their office and workplace. He also urged all the Indians to devote at least 2 hours per week to clean their surroundings.
The people have got all this concept of cleanliness, unique concept of cleanliness. I'm really surprised that today, instead of leading in our march to cleanliness, we are lagging behind and we are not taken care of. Cleanliness has also to do quite a lot about your mental cleanliness. It is also important that mentally you are clear, mentally you are clean, then you will be able to think better, you will have better, you will be able to look towards your fellow beings with a better outlook and with a better approach. And from that itself will come the cleanliness of the surroundings.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham today disclosed that the Ministry of Human Resources has sanctioned a budget of 480 crore rupees for enhancing education sector of Manipur. Speaking at the sidelines of the 158th birth anniversary observance of Mahatma Gandhi at the Conference Hall of Education S in Lamphel today, Minister Radhesham assured of a positive change in government schools of both hill and valley regions of the state in the near future. He maintained that buildings, labs, library and smart class facilities will be constructed in the schools without further delay. The Education Minister expressed pride that Manipur secured the top position among smaller states in India in the recent School Education Quality Index, that is SEQI 2019, declared by National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog. He gave credits for achievement to the teachers, students, parents and guardians and various students' organizations of the state. Minister Radhesham asserted that the month-long birth anniversary observance of Lamyanba Irawat and Mahatma Gandhi, organized by the Education as a department in various schools of the state since September 26, will ensure a positive change in the state. He maintained that Education as department will release a journal based on knowledge inputs from students after the month-long observance, which concludes on October 25th.
Central government HRD dagi akoida lupa crore samri ga 80 sam adu ma pire maram da hana 250 crore phangmane nakna double mui hela pire masi pira kosi pharak padagi adu impact na akoi classroom kya sarakani laboratory kya sarakani computer aided learning ye akoi tawrakini smart classroom yarakani aduna matam khara changani thuna makti khudak ta ubadi madudi ubo phangmai adu khara mayamna visible oiba ubireisne adu mayamda akoi na hajarindi negative comment pirakwa positive comment pirakwa comment pibirakwa mayamdura akoi na learn tawjaraga aduragi lauksin jaraga mayam cooperation ngasi shiro.
Education Minister T.H. Radhesham celebrated Gandhi Jayanti along with students and teachers of various schools today. Education as Commissioner T. Ranjit and Director T.H. Kiran Kumar accompanied the Education Minister. They visited Iboton Sana Higher Secondary School in Uripok, Tondon Sana and Thambau Macha High School in Lamboy Khongnangkong, and Imphal West Residential School. Minister Radhesham inspected the condition of Iboton Sana Higher Secondary School and assured to upgrade the infrastructure of the school in the near future.
Mahatma Gandhi na saiki tongan magi principle mayam philosophy mayam lei madudi non violence means hauraga so hawanda bonar ga so hawdan leibung khang kan ba adigi hingsa tawdaba khana chainaba yum lo so imung lo so imai paga siro so odasing na harak odasing na saunadaba satra masil imana bising khana daba sawi wakal the violent or wakal se masi tharo padum principle ke magi non cooperation movement hai na aram thabak tor ko kanga mangona support bi dabagi adum principle ke amle.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also held the birth anniversary observance of Mahatma Gandhi at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today. Party leaders extolled Mahatma Gandhi for all his contributions on the occasion. Speaking at the event, former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby stated that Clean India campaign launched in honor of Mahatma Gandhi will be meaningful only when people keep their mind and spirit clean. Attendees also took out a rally from Congress Bhavan till the Gandhi Memorial Hall, where they paid full tribute to the statue of Mahatma Gandhi.
Machin's fattaba migi sentiment sokada was in Harimda. Adami, he is the example of truth and non-violence. The philosophy of non-violence and the doctrines of truth.
Luba nanba ibobina aswaida sumchit pairaga sitlaga wakhandana ba ama wakhanda sengdraga di madudi artha lairoeba madudi artha lairoeba jati masien se amaga nangdi Islam dharma chatpani nangdi amangwani nangdi harizonni aikoina asengmani hai wakhandana adu wakhanda toraga dharu pairaga waisilaga ba maduna aikoi Mahatma Gandhi ji ki ngasi observation ngasi ki celebration se ai wahan thok lairoi.
National Leprosy Eradication Program and State Leprosy Unit Manipur also observed the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi at Health Directorate campus. Year-long Sparse Leprosy Elimination Campaign, that is SLEC, which aimed to eradicate leprosy since October 2nd last year, concluded on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Director of Health Services Dr. K. Raju said that leprosy is a curable disease if treated on time. Stating that leprosy medicines are available in government health centers for free, Dr. Raju appealed to leprosy patients to avail the facility without any hesitation. Dr. K. Raju also launched post-exposure prophylaxis, that is PEP, by administering rifampicin tablet to people as preventive measures on the occasion. He also flagged off a rally participated by Health Directorate staffs from the Health Directorate. The rally concluded at Electricity Department, Lamphel.
Manipur leprosy case koina ataki sparse leprosy campaign si da 21 detect wi masi mangda 6 na grade 2 disability lai atagi ani mana grade 1 ne sumai tawdana laina si nariba mi duna su masi uthok taba haidok taba mi ma masa si narbo di mangonda gi mu manungda laikai de sandokpa yai basi kanbiraga atagi masa gi su disability lakpa yai habsi kanbiraga masi treatment tawtobi gadabani aduna koina leprosy muthatpa sida mayam changna mateng pangbiu yakoi ju department gi site gi honaba yab honajage.
National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology, NELIT, Imphal and Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad jointly observed Gandhi Jayanti today. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and NELIT Executive Director T.H. Prameshwar laid attendees in offering floral tributes to the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, who is the second Prime Minister of India, at the event held at NELIT Hall in Akampat today. Speaking in the event, R.K. Ranjan revered Gandhiji for leading India's freedom struggle against the British and for trying to bring peace in the world. He also appealed to get inspiration from Gandhiji's Swadesi movement to promote indigenous textile products of the state to boost income.
공경기 미풍 그딩wakta 수목이 위빙이 깨놓세 삐르간다다 아이코니 센톡 람비 레게다브니 로이네나 아이코니 부톡적인 포토도 we have to consume it 아이코니 신나게다브네 아도 let us apply to our modern status here Manipuri gi nupisingse ayambana handloom weavers ngaknebo ado koi handloom gi weavers singna puthoi basingse aikoi kaya yam sinnagebo Mahatma Gandhi na haram isik karigino se aikoi khanse khalla kandane imai ben sing puthoi ba iong gi phise aikoi na len na sel kanda leibak tu gi economy do paisa do aikoi da tungong gadabna.
Churachandpur District Administration also paid a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 158th birth anniversary at the district's training center in Tuibong today. People carried out Swachhata Hi Seva 2019 campaign and People's Plan campaign titled GPDP on the occasion. Winner schools of the Plastic Waste Management campaign held on September 26 were felicitated at the event. Bishnupur District Police also observed the 158th birth anniversary of Gandhiji today. Police team supervised by Bishnupur Police SP L. Priyadarshini carried out cleanliness drive in various parts of Bishnupur district, including CI College Bishnupur Road and campus, Lukoipad, Bishnupur Bazaar on the occasion. Many police officers and personnel took part in the drive. Thoubal Municipal Council TMC launched Angkikar campaign on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti today. Speaking at the event, TMC chairperson T.H. Shamu said that the campaign aimed to raise awareness on the benefits of various welfare schemes initiated by the central government. Resource person gave insights on Thoubal Swachh Sarvekshan Lake 2020 and Plastic Waste Samardhan to attendees in the event. The council, along with District Health Society Thoubal, also held a free medical camp on the occasion. Gandhi Jayanti was also observed in Tamenglong district today. Tamenglong District Administration organized the event at the indoor stadium lower ground in Tamenglong headquarters. A marathon titled The Run for the Plastic-Free India, participated by both men and women, flagged off, and winners were felicitated to mark the occasion. Chairman of ADC Tamilong, Namstring Ray Panmai, and Deputy Commissioner Armstrong Palmay took part in the event. Cleanliness drives were also carried out at various parts of Hairok Part 1 on the occasion of Gandhiji's birthday. Hairok Part 1 Pradhan El Khamba led people in cleaning up the surroundings. Nambul river banks were cleaned up under the guidance of Imphal West SP on Gandhi Jayanti today. SDPO Imphal West, Imphal Police Station OC, City Police Station OC and Motor Transport OC took part in the cleanliness drive. Speaking on the occasion, Imphal West OC and Ingocha lauded Mahatma Gandhi for all his contributions.
Polisinju akogi amorakai leriba Namul River Imphal City si fauna cheliba Turen sigi sokchel lakpa sigumba polluted oiba pibam si yengure hareraga namun turen si luna nana leibada atopa mioi singna tawbugo mokoi polisu asobo thawda ama lawraga city manung phawraga chaliba namun turen se sengbada akogi thawdang asobo ma lawjena instruction pibibadagi police mayam tawraga akoi sengba se ayutegi chathabane hojik nungdin nungdawaram pung mari makai adai babu sengani aduna akoina tawjaba targeting asi makti loiba ngamde makha adum chathasi ena akoi sp samna thambi masida akogi lekai club aduga namun turengi mapa ampande leiriba sinenau sing club sangstan sin na yobiragadi amuke na koi harau jagani appeal tawjari
National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation NHIDCL Imphal branch also observed Gandhi Jayanti along with students today. Attendees took out a rally against plastic uses on the occasion. Director of NHIDCL headquarters Saityabrata Sahu IAS flagged off the rally from Ghari, Imphal West. Plastic items scattered on the sides of the roads were picked up in the rally, followed by an awareness program at Ghari Youth Club. Speaking at the event, Saityabrata Sahu lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi for launching the campaign to stop uses of single-use plastic. He said that NHIDCL will utilize waste plastics collected to dig roads.
We are organizing in all our branch offices in 19 different places through public awareness campaigns, motivating the school children, the local Panchayati Raj institution members, urban local bodies, and all the stakeholders, the public representatives. We should join hand and fulfill the dreams of our Honorable Prime Minister, who has appealed to all to ban this plastic, which is having serious health hazards. You know, the effect of plastic is very bad for the health of human being.
Armed Forces Ex-Servicemen Association of Manipur also held Gandhi Jayanti and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Pakwada event today. Members of the association carried out the cleanliness drive at Polyclinic in Koirengai, Imphal East. Plastic wrappers for medicines at the clinic were replaced with paper bags on the occasion. They also placed bamboo dustbins around the clinic. (182) Battalion BSF Koirengai carried out a cleanliness drive under Swachhata Hi Seva campaign from Koirengai Bazaar area till BSF campus today. Commandant of 182 Battalion BSF Nitin Gupta led a drive urging people to stop uses of single-use plastics. 113 Battalion BSF deployed at Torbung Bangla and Wangjing Tekcham also carried out a cleanliness drive and door-to-door campaign on the hazards of plastic waste under Swachhata Hi Seva campaign on Gandhi Jayanti today. Battalion inspectors led the campaign participated by Nehru Yuva Kendra Churachandpur under the aegis of Commandant 113 Battalion BSF. "43 Assam Rifles organized a marathon under Fit India movement in More on Gandhi Jayanti today. The marathon, held in 3 categories, started at 5 a.m. from Jehovah Jireh Children Home till More ICP. Over 100 people participated in marathon race. 43 Assam Rifle Colonel Sumit Sood felicitated the winners of the race. Manipur police official led by DC Imphal West District Narem Praveen carried out plastic-free zone campaign in Imphal West District on Gandhi Jayanti today. DC Narem Praveen appealed to stop using plastic products to save the environment. He also stated that the campaign will be carried out in all the areas under Imphal Municipal Council and Gram Panchayats.
Laikai mi tholagal seng bada madu mi lai tabum pam si yeng seng apani ado hauji akhoi asigi rims ki nakan yeng kan seng kan sida aina rims ki authority da appeal tawning basi akhoi seng tan madul leiram bi amon kai meam du hostel ler makhaina ayam hundok male tawri bo kenos maroina nupi gi hostel sing dagi rimso manung da madugi magi dispose tawna ba pin nongmin phajana thamer ga mapan da lambi sat pa kangbu da kai pi dana ba adugi system no mai hawdoningi tobacco sina mayam sida mangan ba masina polok pa laina economy da solok pa ke da mayam sima Yeng Heraga, Ministry of Human Resource, Government of India, the directives Makadanga Sisi, Manipur gi nat all over India gini, Manipur Haking nati. School da lam tu sengdopagi matakta no tobacco. Akwai si tobacco season roy. Sige akwai gi kano sada school campus da tobacco e season abi roy. Haibagi kano madu campaign masu parallel with ngasi sathari.
GCCRPF Imphal also observed the 158th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi today. Volunteers carried out a cleanliness drive and held a bonus program under Swachhata Hi Seva campaign on the occasion. GCCRPF Imphal has been organizing Swachh Sankalp Se Swachh City campaign since September 17. GCCRPF Imphal has taken various initiatives under Swachh Bharat mission to keep the local areas neat and clean. Six students' organization of the state, namely All Manipur Students Union (AMSU), Manipur Students Federation (MSF), Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur (DESAM), Kangleipak Students Association (KSA), Students Union of Kangleipak (SUK), and Apunba Iraipak Mahiroi Simpanlub AIMS have extended solidarity to the upcoming mass agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAB) on October 3rd, called by Northeast Forum for Indigenous People (NEFIP), along with Manipur Peoples Against CAB. Speaking to media at AMSU office in DM College campus today, convener of Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC cum AMSU President Peter Lystrom calls upon students of the state to join the mass protest against CAB. Taking part in the press meet, the Vice President of DESAM, Namai Rakpam Edition, strongly condemned Union Home Minister Amit Shah's declaration to implement the contentious bill during a meet of Northeast Democratic Alliance NEDA in Guwahati.
Ariba sigumlaba citizenship amendment bill haidi akogi indigenous people gi mayokta lairena khanjaraba sigumlaba akoi piklaba fruit asibu muthatpa yaina khaliba sigum mutpa yabagi bill ne na khaliba sigum bill je nafuda chandarakpa taragadi akoi ishana yana haitare mishim na thokpa thawai dhawa imaleba ki damuk thawai buk tharaga adugumlaba imaleba kandaba yade we will give our blood, we won't give our land haba akoi motherland akoi imaleba ki piro akoi EDP gani haba kholago loina akoi thawai thawa yab khongchang mokchang jalakani habse media thongna thamjari.
JCLPS carried out eviction drive against immigrants today. Members of Awang Sekmai Nongthongban Youth Club, Awang Sekmai Advanced Women's Society, Sekmai Protection Committee Apex, Sekmai Nagar Panchayat and JCLPS checked vehicles plying on National Highway during the drive. Convener of the committee, YK Dhiren, said that the committee has been taking major roles in trying to protect the indigenous people of the state since 2012. Asserting that many individuals have lost their lives during the protest, he condemned President Ramnath Kovind for not giving his assent to Manipur People Bill despite repeated requests by the state government. Stating that such drives will be conducting along Imphal-Dimapur Road, he declared that members of the committee, along with club and Mera Paibis of the different localities, will carry out eviction drive against immigrants in every localities.
오더수 동안 아이코기 워커싱 레버싱 하이타레 아이코 마싱 얌바 컨트랙터싱나 동안 모ongda pusalei haibagi paulere changakpa taragadi aikoi manipurda changakpa leversing pusalakpa taragadi aikoi na handagi chu haiduna luxury aikoi contractor singna madu pusanbire ba agency singduna aikoi interstate migrant workmen regulation act ki matungina 1980s ki rules ki matungina aikoi madu ngakna pusanbiro madu ngakta singdi aikoi makoi sing adu da aikoi ain gi oiba thabak sing lokhanaba JCLP ki maikai dagi ona jagani.
JC against the unnatural death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School has demanded to file charge sheets of the case in 10 days. Speaking to media at Thangmaiban Thao Library today, JC convener L. Ganeshwari alleged that investigation officer of the SIT formed to probe the case gave misleading statements to the court in order to bail out those arrested in connection with the case. She demanded to replace the DIO. Ganeshwari asserted that the case will turn a new chapter with recent publication by some local dailies throwing light on possible sexual assault on the deceased girl student.
Angangsi oji assault tawraga hatpa sengba kudam changjam na se matik chaba thidoga ojikti policing na su hariba adurga 375 rape case ki adugumba adu hapa mathau tare ha base koi JS ki michael lig appeal tawjari masung demand tawjari angang juvenile oibanina pokso act soidana pangadabani ha bisu mari lainaba khogi authority ain da laibiri basungna khanbiraga yachumbala lang se thidopada mateng pangbiyo masung puthokpiyo haina ekhoi JS ki michael digi thamjari.
Kurai MLA El Susindro has asserted that efforts are underway to provide 20 litres of drinking water per month to each voter of Kurai constituency by January 2020. He stated the same during a discussion meet held on upcoming projects in areas under Gram Panchayats and new schemes launched in India. Kurai Nandaibam Laikai Gram Panchayat organized the event at Kurai Puthiba Community Hall. MLA Susindro asserted that changes are taking place in Kurai constituency, which remains deprived despite its proximity to Imphal city. Pradhan of Kurai Nandaibam Laikai Gram Panchayat Yomnam Ongbi Chitra and SRC President K.H. Sanajauba were present in the event. Elderly persons were felicitated on the occasion.
Smaina koi ising water supply label jaga kudimota hojiki machine si yam tang manate lupa lang ahu makai mari jagi hoga lang manga buta pibu machine ne aduna koi admaina mo loina mo kurai ke legi water supply label jaga kudimota akoi loina mo install tawrani aduna masi gi posi laga di akoi de kudong chaba soida phangani.
All Manipur Physiotherapists Association AMPA strongly condemned the bomb blast by unknown miscreants at public physiotherapy clinic in Kakching, Khongnang, Mari, Phangba yesterday. AMPA demanded clarification for carrying out such untoward conduct, which created fear, psychosis and panic to people in the area and damaged the clinic. The association appealed to whoever concerned not to repeat such irresponsible act again in near future. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring news on Imphal West police team seizing 600 cases of Indian-made foreign liquor last night at Moidangpok, Ahibam, Laikai. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Prime Time English News. Imphal West police seized 600 cases of 14 variety of Indian-made foreign liquor last night. Police team supervised by Imphal West Superintendent Police K. Megachandra and led by Additional SP Operation L. Amarjit, DSP Commando T.H. Thomas, DSP Commando R.K. Roshan, OC Commando Imphal West P. Achoba and ASI K.H. Boni carried out frisking operation at around 11:30 p.m. at Moidangpok, Ahibam, Laikai under Patsoy Police in Imphal West. The combined team seized liquor carried by two persons in one Tata truck bearing registration number AS09AC0627. The miscreants are 40-year-old Mutum Roman, son of Mutum Tolen from Yangangpokpi, Goltabi, and 35-year-old Chanam Deben, son of C.H. Mohindro from Khongjom, Kebaching. The seized liquor and the arrested persons were produced before media persons at Imphal West Commando Complex today. Imphal West Additional SP Operation Lamabam Amarjit stated that the arrested persons have been handed over to Patsoy Police for further investigation.
Ngarang October tang ama da khoi nungdang pung tara mukta da khoi paw ma phangbadagi kaithel manbegi moidang pokki area amda khoi fishing checking chathar ba matam da tata truck ama yam chingna ba mong lakpadagi khoina detain tawje adugi tata truck to khoina check to matam da moi ani tongami tui maming di amana mutum roman amana chanam deben mawani check to matung da khoina gari du mung check to bukanda Indian made foreign liquor case satruk khoina hujiki truck sidagi recover to bangam jakhi hujiki oina gari du yorok ba driver ga hinderman jiga noina case satruk che khoi pachoi ps ta makhata ba necessary action tawna ba hoje khoi gi Imphal West ki makai di kan hona je.
Imphal East Commando team conducted a coordinated search operation at Mahabali Kabui village in Imphal East district today. The team led by Imphal East Additional SP Operationer T.H. Krishna Tombi and Additional SP Thonkochon Haukib carried out the operation from 6 to 6:30 a.m. and verified altogether 70 people. No one was arrested during the drive. A team of Kaching District Commandos seized a large amount of contraband WY tablets last evening around 5:30. The team confiscated 632 WY tablets from 31-year-old Khetrimayum Mahesh Kumar alias Momo, son of KSH Sanayaima from Kaching Mayai Laikai, who was driving a Suzuki Swift car bearing registration number MN08A0325. He was taken to Kaching Police Station for necessary actions. Kaching District Commando team apprehended 3 suspected cadres of People's Liberation Army PLA from 3 areas of the district today. The arrested persons are 47-year-old Mayang Lambam Manglem, son of late M. Kagembo from Kaching Khunai Laikai, 45-year-old Yengkhom Ojit Kumar, son of late Y. Sanajawar from Kaching Chumnam Laikai, and 56-year-old Ningombam Rameshwar, son of N. Nabachandra from Kaching Ningthau Laikai. The team recovered 4 mobile handsets and paper documents from them. The arrested persons were handed over to Kaching Police Station for further interrogation. All Manipur-trained medicinal and aromatic plants promoters consortium AMP-CON under the initiative of Bharat Beach Swaraj Manch will organize the National Indigenous Seed Festival 2019 at Central Agriculture University, Imphal from October 12 till 14. Speaking to media at the conference hall of ICR Research Complex in Lamphel today, chairperson of the organizing committee and Lok Sabha MP, Dr. R.K. Ranjan stressed the need to preserve and promote the native crop sheets. Interested individuals may register for the festival latest by October 5th, and farmers are exempted from registration fees.
Modern technology is indigenous populations indigenous crops season harvesting season the next cultivating season so technology mayamama lejaram revive toraga revive high yielding variety that improves it technariba awawa sinse agro-climatic zones adapt to seeds sina magi landamaduda survive fruiting
64th Wildlife Week observance on the theme "The Future of Wildlife is in Our Hands" kicked off at Kaibul Lamjau National Park today. Chief Conservator of Forest and Wildlife W. Yashkul launched the event by flagging off a cycle rally from Kordak Dam located at the northern side of Kaibul Lamjau National Park. Many people residing around the park took part in the event organized by Environment, Social Reformation and Sangai Protection Forum Kaibul Lamjau along with Wildlife Wing's State Forest Department. The rally spreading the message to save wildlife passed through Kumbi Kaithel, Moirang Khunau and concluded at Kaibul Lamjau.
humfu mari suba wildlife week si akoi taibang mina khoi sanga jing jibu ngakpi dragadi moi punchi se leite haibadu gi thimdu da ne khoina pangthok jagado je hayeng na khoi gi zoo foundation de ga mari leina na zoo da akoi gi ani suba numit ado pangthok jani ahum suba numitana manipur gi court ke diam da pangthokani mari suba dana photo exhibition manga suba dana debate competition taruk suba numit suti hoigre ade tareta khoi state function oina akoi gi chief minister akoi gi honorable forest minister yauraga akoi gi wildlife we se numai targa loichan jani.
All Manipur Muslims meet a Pangal Welfare Association held its 26th Foundation Day celebration at the association office in Minuthong, Hata today. The association also felicitated the newly elected chairman of Manipur State Minorities Commission, Anwar Hussain, and chairperson of Manipur State Hajj Committee, Maulana Abdul Salam, on the occasion. Leaders of the association and many people took part in the event. Manipuri short film named Chara Ama, directed by Chandam Lawrence, has bagged the best short film title in the Indian round of the My Road Reel short film competition 2019 held at Australia. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Chandam Lawrence said that the 3-minute short film is based on the life of a fish farmer of the Loktak Lake. He asserted that altogether 1,680 short films from across the world, including 168 short films from India, were listed in the competition.
Crew members around me, what is going on to direction, visual effects, cinemas in handle Ganan director, director, Mana Loina suggest over the Aquina Chatago, Moyi talents to Yaga, Aquina select over
PRO Chinkheng Anbo of proscribed KCP People's War Group in a press release warned that Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur cannot continue to exist as an educational institution from next year. The press release said that the decision was taken during the outfit's Central Committee meeting. It further urged parents and guardians of students of the school to start looking out for other schools. News. Fit India Block Run title Plating to Keep India Clean was carried out at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex and its surroundings today. The first Fit and Clean event in the world was held at Sweden in 2016 and India started the event in 2018. Manipur Olympic Association joined Indian Olympic Association and National Sports Federation in holding the event today. MOA Senior Vice President Dr. G.A. Ipopishak, General Secretary Sunil Elangbam and eminent persons of the association along with many people took part in the event.
Sports Kilamda Kongdariba organizer amadi sports person citizen mayam amana leriba samasigi phattaba asoiba mayam sengdonaba amadi akoi plastic na chingba tongan kaya ama mafong kaya chaithokpagi sinabam khangda tariba mayam je sengdoga afaba samaj ama sembagi afaba lambi mafam ama semnabagi honabagi adugi pandamda India government gi wakhalon ga loinana Indian Olympic Association of National Sports Federation gi aduguma mayam seng aduga loinana India da pangthorpa loinana Manipur da sum aduguma program se pangthona bagi message ama Leriba Iwagil, Magi the Lakiba, Duga Marilena, Melicita, Sikumba, plastic Lambida Taba, as a part of the sports, Gamoina jogging, Yamaki, walking, running, Loina Masimamsi, Mang the Tarameba, Pataba Maps, and the Kundupogi Adugumba program.
Pointrix Educational Solution Private Limited will kick off a 2-day 8A-side football tournament on the theme Good Health and Stress Relieving exclusively for IT-associated private companies and institutions for the first time in the state on October 12. The tournament will be held at Chumthang Sanapung Artificial Turf Ground in Langthabal, Pura Makong. Speaking to media at the company's office in Thangmaiban, Kabrabam Laikai today, Managing Director of the company, Renol Kumanthim, said that the tournament aims to alleviate stress and to keep employees of the companies fit and healthy. He asserted that the cash award of 25,000 rupees will be presented to the champion team and the cash award of 10,000 rupees to the runners-up team, along with the trophy and certificate each. He maintained that Best Player and Best Goalkeeper awards will also be presented.
Good health and stress relieving theme sida koina base tawjaraga sinjaba tournament am khaktani habidi koi Manipur da leiriba IT company da confine tawsalaga day to day life da morning to evening adum koi gi computer mang da fammaga adum koina sumaina confine tawsan base koi health da issue ma'am lakpa adigi mental stress lakpa plus koi gi family gi problem ma'am su yum halaga problem ma'am sida koina sum confine tawsala day to day life se sum boarding to salak pai tar asigi ma'am sing hang actor ju pathami na ba habagi team da adigi plus sidai company da han bai je thabak leragadi late night overnight koi tumba da phang da ma'am lere koi sugumba sports ama silagadi koi gi mental and stress relieving je kitang do su koi gi pathaba phangadra habagi wakhalda wakhalon da na koi hawduk jaba tournament am khangni.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Nation pays homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his 150th birth anniversary today. Manipur revers Mahatma Gandhi on his birthday. Observe National Cleanliness Day to mark the occasion. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham assured positive change in state's education sector as Human Resources Ministry has sanctioned 480 crore rupees for the same. And JSCC, a conglomerate of 6 students' organization, extends solidarity to mass agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill called by NEFIP, NEFIP on October 3rd.